Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So today is going to be an experiments in eating day. This is a noodle kit I haven't had before. These are broad noodles. I believe they're sweet potato. Yep. Potato starch broad noodles with a sesame soup base. So I can see the noodles. I'll open this and we'll look at what's in there. But I thought I would try those because if you've seen my other sesame noodles that I have, I quite like that kit. And to that, I'm going to add, and this is going to seem a little weird, but I have some chicken meatballs from Sam's Club. I haven't tried these before, and I was going to break the pack down into individual servings, and I thought, oh, I'll have some of those in the with the noodles. And then, just to add some colored veggies, I have some Mukimame, which is just edamame out of the pod. I have some red peppers, some purple cabbage, some Enoki Mushrooms, seasoned bamboo shoots, and these are little Tofu Squares. So, the only things I need to do, let's see, are these already cooked? Fully cooked. Okay. So those just have to be heated. I think all I need to do is prepare whatever is in the bag. So let's look at what that is. All right. So the one pack, I'm going to guess 270 calories and 64 carbs. 64, 54, 64. That's going to be my noodles. And I thought they were going to be clear, but they almost look like rice cakes. So that will be, that'll be interesting to try those. Actually, let me check something here. Okay, so I was going to check. A lot of times with Asian packaging, it'll say per 100 grams, but that one pack is 220 grams, and that's 220 grams, so that is that one. So 270 calories for that. Then we have what I'm assuming is a dehydrated vegetable pack. We have a chili oil pack. We'll just throw that away. This is going to be a soy sauce, and this will be the sesame noodle part. So it doesn't come with a whole lot like some of my other kits. The sauces are 150 calories for a container. So I just need to cook the noodles. And then while those are cooking, I will prep everything else. Hey guys. So I don't know what I want for dinner yet, but I remembered that I had opened this smoked salmon. So this has 3 different types in there: pepper, traditional, and dill, little smoked salmon slices. And I thought, I have some English cucumbers, so I'm going to do Naruto, which is just like a cucumber, thinly sliced cucumber on the outside, little mini sushi rolls, basically. And so I have some whipped cream cheese, a piece of purple cabbage, some avocado, some dill, and then some Snow Fox sushi sauce. This is just like an eel sauce. And I'm going to make some of these as a little snack and then decide what I'm going to do about dinner.